Hello and welcome to Rock Run House. It's been a while since we uploaded a video. Wanted to give you a little glimpse of the September garden and other things that have been happening here. We have lots of marigolds and lots of peppers, plus a few other things. So the garden's still going. We acquired a Farmall Cub tractor this week. It's from the 1950s, just an absolute workhorse, and we're excited about having it on the property and look forward to sharing more of that. Paul just finished restoring the 19th century bread oven, so we've been using that, and that's been a beautiful addition. He managed to get some reclaimed lumber to help with some repairs in the barn. He wanted to use wood that would be fitting in such an old barn. The barn's from 1840. Unfortunately, it's really dark in this video, but there's more of the barn to come. We look forward to sharing that with you. The last section of the video for this week is just a glimpse of our porch. You can hear the church bells, and you'll meet our new little kitty who's a stray. It's just a beautiful way to spend the final hours of the evening. Not that we spend hours on the porch, but that's the idea eventually. So we'll see you next week, and thanks for watching, and look forward to sharing more of Rock Run House with you.